Imagine being part of a team where everyone works in harmony and productivity soars. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's all about teamwork. It's that magical element that turns a group of individuals into a well oiled machine. But it's not always rainbows and butterflies. Misunderstandings occur, conflicts arise, and sometimes it feels like you're pulling in different directions. But here's the good news: mastering teamwork skills can transform this dream into a reality. You might think that great teamwork simply means getting along with everyone, but it's much more than that. So, what's the common misconception we're addressing here? It's the belief that teamwork is merely about maintaining good office relationships. Sure, positive relationships are a part of it, but they aren't the whole picture. Imagine this: you're part of a team that gets along well, but you're all pulling in different directions. There's no shared vision, no clear communication, and tasks are completed haphazardly. Does that sound like effective teamwork to you? Probably not. True teamwork is about aligning towards a shared goal. It's about collaboration, where each team member leverages their unique skills to contribute to the collective objective. It's about effective communication, where everyone is clear on their roles and responsibilities, and progress is transparently tracked. True teamwork goes beyond mere camaraderie. It's about achieving shared objectives efficiently and effectively. So, what's the secret sauce to effective teamwork? The answer is effective communication. Yes, the most potent tool in the team building toolbox is as simple as that. It's the bridge that connects diverse minds and aligns them towards a common goal. Now, imagine a team without effective communication. It's like a ship without a compass, aimlessly adrift at sea. Conflicts would arise unresolved, decisions would be made without consensus, and task delegation would be a game of guesswork. Sounds chaotic, right? But when communication flows freely, it's a whole different story. Team members understand their roles and responsibilities, conflicts are addressed and resolved efficiently, and decision making becomes a collaborative effort. It's like a well oiled machine, where every component knows its function and works in harmony with the others. With effective communication, you can navigate any hurdle that comes your way as a team. It's the key that unlocks the door to successful teamwork and ultimately better outcomes at work. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, let's dive into the benefits of mastering teamwork. One of the most immediate perks is increased productivity. When a team works well together, tasks are completed faster and with better quality, which ultimately leads to improved results. But the benefits don't stop there. By fostering strong teamwork skills, you're also enhancing your workplace relationships. Through effective collaboration, mutual respect and trust are built, leading to a more harmonious and enjoyable working environment. And let's not forget about professional growth. Being part of a well-functioning team allows you to learn from your colleagues, gain new perspectives, and develop your problem-solving abilities. This not only makes you a more valuable team player, but also a more versatile professional. By honing your teamwork skills, you are not only contributing to your team's success, but also paving your way to personal and professional growth. It's time to put this knowledge to work. Picture yourself in a team meeting. The air is tense, deadlines are looming, and communication lines are tangled. How do you navigate this situation? Start by actively listening. Instead of formulating your own response while someone else is speaking, focus your attention on understanding their perspective. This simple shift can create a bridge of understanding, facilitating more effective communication and smoother teamwork. Next, remember the power of feedback. Constructive criticism is a tool for growth, not a weapon of destruction. When delivering feedback, be specific, be kind, and always tie it back to the team's shared goals. When receiving feedback, view it as a gift, an opportunity to learn and improve. And what about those times when conflict arises? Conflict isn't a sign of a bad team, but how it's managed can make or break a team's success. Encourage open dialogue, respect differing opinions, and seek to find a solution that benefits the team as a whole. Lastly, celebrate victories, both big and small. Recognizing the hard work of team members not only boosts morale, but also fosters a sense of belonging and commitment to the team's success. Every journey starts with a single step, and your journey to improve teamwork starts now. Make the change today and watch your work life transform for the better.